Hello students and welcome back to music class. In the past week we were learning about musical notes, basic musical notes like the whole note, the half note, and the quarter note. Also we learned about the two A notes, and please don't copy this. This is just as a review. Today we're going to be talking about the same notes, but we are going to add something very special, which are dots to each note. So to start our class today, I want you to draw a line like this on the top, and you're going to be writing the word dotted notes. Dotted notes. So you write dotted notes, DOTTEDNOTES. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of more seconds so you can copy it. DOTTEDNOTES. After you do that, I want you to draw a line at the bottom right here, all across the board. Okay, and then we are going to split the top. And today we'll be talking specifically about dotted half notes and dotted quarter notes. So as we know already, half notes, and please copy this, half notes like this, they're 2 beats long. Okay? When you have a half note, like this one, and you add a dot, this dot adds one more beat to the half note. So it becomes 3 beats long. Okay? And we're going to go down here and try to understand why. Then on the right, we can have a quarter note, which is 1 beat long. And then we can have a quarter note that has a dot. It's called a dotted quarter note. Put the dot on the right of the note. And this one becomes 1.5 beats long. So it's kind of like fractions right here. We are talking about fractions. Okay, so now if I go to the keyboard and I play half note, this is the beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. That's a regular half note. It's one right here. But if I want to play a dotted half note, I will add one more beat to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and off. So this one is a little bit longer, as you can see. Going to the quarter note now. The quarter note is 1 beat long. 1. Okay. But if I add the dot, it's going to be 1.5. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And it's a little bit longer. So you need to pay attention to that. And next on the board, I want you to draw another line right here. We are going to be doing the math, the understanding, because this is important for when you do your advanced composition. So if we do the math, half equals 2 again, but when we put the dot right here, we are saying that this one is 2 beats, and the dot adds one more count. And that's how this half note becomes 3 counts or 3 beats right here. And then we're going to write the word beats and underline 2 plus 1. Those are your beats there. 3 beats. If we go into the quarter note, and we say quarter note equals 1, then we do the next part. Quarter note with a dot equals 1 plus half, and this becomes 1.5 counts. And this is a very particular rhythm that you may have listened to before, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1. So that kind of effect. So basically dots, they add half of the count of this note right here to the value of the note, to how long the note is. Okay, so let's practice now. You can clap or you can tap on your lap. We're going to practice first half note. So we go like 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now let's try to practice the dotted half note, which is 3 beats long. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now we're going to be practicing the quarter notes. Quarter notes, they are simple. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's think about a little bit longer, a longer note like 1, 2, or you can think like 1, 2, 3, rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am dividing the quarter note into different A notes. So direct notes are very important because they allow you to make notes longer. And since we don't have a note that is 3 bits long, we use that to add half of the value of that note. And these are direct notes. So you'll be using these notes when you compose on the advanced section on Classic for Kids. Okay, let's erase the board, just the bottom. And I challenge you now to do a little bit of math with the notes. So please try to solve this math right here. So this is a half note, this is a half note. I want you to tell me how many bits this is. So one way of doing this is by copying down here how long the half note is, which is 2, and the 2, and then you place the result right here. And the other one I want to give you is this one. This is like 1 and a half plus 1 and a half. Oh, sorry. Actually, no. Not 1 and a half. I wanted to say direct quarter note plus another direct quarter note. And this is 1 and a half, 1 and a half. You need to tell me at the end how much that is. Okay? So take a couple of minutes to do this, to solve the math. And then after we talk about what we learned in this video, we're going to be erasing the boards and moving to our next station. Thank you for watching, and enjoy music.